Wagwan fams, welcome back to Vibe with Chelsea. So basically I did a vlog, a day in my life. Based on the length of the video, I'll be cutting the video in 2 or 3. So in this part of the video, basically I'm showing you guys how I did my hair. It is an easy style, so I'm guessing you guys can get it done on your own. So basically this is the style that I did. Okay, so to prevent it from looking too simple, I did some edges and a zigzag part, which is not hard. I know you guys can do it. So just stay tuned to see the video, and this part of the video will be posting on a Friday, as you guys can see. The other part will be posting Tuesdays. So basically I am only posting on Fridays and Tuesdays, so please stay tuned. If you're new to my channel and you're liking my content so far, please do hit the subscribe button, turn your post notification bell on to be notified every time I post a video. And I've realized that most of you guys turn your post notification bell on, but you're not getting notified whenever I post a video. And I'm guessing that is because you have not given YouTube the permission to send you notification. So what I want you guys to do is take a minute and go to your settings and turn notification on for YouTube, or you can ask Google how to turn your notification on for YouTube. So please do so if you want to be notified every time I post a video. And if you're already a part of the fams, thank you guys for always sticking with me. I really love and appreciate you. the boss people.
Yeah, I'm so sorry to wake you up, bro. Wasn't meant to